Hey, future docs. Ready to unlock the secrets of human movement? First up, the hinge joint. Think of your elbow or knee, just like a door hinge. It allows movement in one direction, flexion and extension. Next, the ball and socket joint. Found in your shoulder and hip, this joint allows for a wide range of movement. Basically, you can thank it for all those dance moves. Then we have the pivot joint, like the one in your neck. This joint lets you shake your head up, a small but mighty movement. Don't forget the saddle joint. Located in your thumb, it allows for grasping and rotation. Imagine trying to text without it. Finally, the gliding joint, found in your wrists and ankles. This joint allows bones to glide past each other, aiding in small movements that make big differences. Stay tuned for more anatomy bites. Keep moving, keep learning.